Hey guys, ChrisFix here. Is your Nissan CVT jerky, sluggish, or making noise? Don't worry, before heading to the shop, try a simple transmission control module reset at home. All you need is your car key and your foot, no tools required. This quick trick can fix rough shifting in models like Altima, Rogue, Sentra, and Murano. Let's get started and see if this reset gets your Nissan running smooth again. So, why does this reset help? The TCM is your transmission's brain, constantly learning your driving habits and adjusting how the CVT operates. Over time, old data and changing conditions can confuse the TCM, causing jerks and hesitation. A reset wipes out the TCM's learned memory like hitting factory reset on your phone. This doesn't erase core programming, just the bad habits it's picked up. After the reset, the TCM relearns based on your current driving and the transmission's real condition. It's a software fix, not a mechanical one. The result? Smoother shifts and better performance, often right away. You're not fixing broken parts, you're giving the transmission a fresh start. After the reset, drive normally, and let the TCM adapt. This simple step can restore your Nissan's smoothness and efficiency. If your CVT's acting up, a reset is often all it needs. Let's get your car ready for the procedure. Here's how. Preparation is key for this reset to work. First, drive your car for 15-20 minutes to warm up the transmission fluid, park on a level surface, put the car in park, and engage the parking brake. Turn off all accessories, radio, AC, headlights, chargers, so there's no extra electrical load. Power down the car completely and remove the key, or turn off with push-button start. Open and close the driver's door to ensure all systems go to sleep. Now you're set for the reset sequence. Make sure you're comfortable in the driver's seat and can reach the ignition and gas pedal easily. If you mess up the timing, just start over, no harm done. The next steps involve precise timing, but don't worry, I'll guide you. Take a deep breath, and get ready. This is the pedal dance that tells your car's computer to reset. Let's move on to the main event. Follow these steps exactly for the best results. Ready? Let's do it. Here's the critical gas pedal dance. Get in, close the door, and don't touch the brake at all. Turn the ignition to on or push button twice, no brake. Don't start the engine. Wait exactly 3 seconds. Press and release the gas pedal fully 5 times within 5 seconds. After the 5th press, wait 7 seconds. Now, press and hold the gas pedal to the floor. Hold it down for about 10 seconds. Watch the dashboard. After 10 seconds, the check engine light should start blinking. If it doesn't, turn off the car and try again. The blinking light means you've entered diagnostic mode. While holding the pedal, you're ready for the final step. Timing is everything. Be patient and precise. This sequence tells the TCM to prepare for a reset. Let's finish the process. With the check engine light blinking, you're in diagnostic mode. Now simply release the gas pedal, the light will keep blinking. This means the TCM is ready to reset. Turn the ignition off or press the button to power down. You've just wiped the TCM's adaptive memory. Old, faulty data is gone. Your transmission is back to factory settings. If the light didn't blink, repeat the pedal dance. This reset won't fix mechanical issues, but it clears up software confusion. Next, we'll help your car relearn for smooth driving. A few more steps and you're done. Let's make sure the transmission adapts properly. Here's how to finish up. Almost there. After the reset, wait a minute before starting the car. Let the computers fully power down. Start the engine as usual. The check engine light should behave normally. Let the car idle in park for a full minute. Don't touch the gas or shift. This helps the TCM take baseline readings. Next, gently shift through reverse, neutral, and drive, pausing a few seconds in each. Begin driving gently. Accelerate smoothly and let the car shift through all ratios. Mix city and highway speeds if possible. The first 15-20 minutes of driving are crucial for relearning. You should notice smoother shifts right away. If the car still feels rough, repeat the process or check for other issues. This drive cycle helps the TCM adapt to your current driving style and transmission condition. Be patient. Full adaptation may take a few trips. Enjoy your smoother ride. If problems persist, there may be a deeper issue. Let's talk about when a reset isn't enough. Remember, this reset only fixes software-related issues in the TCM. It won't help if your transmission has mechanical problems or bad fluid. If you have warning lights on, scan for codes before trying a reset. Don't ignore serious issues. Resetting won't fix broken parts. Always check your CVT fluid level and condition first. Low or dirty fluid can cause major problems. Change it if needed. Use only Nissan-specific CVT fluid. Think of this reset as a calibration tool, not a repair. If issues return quickly, seek professional help. For many, this free trick solves annoying CVT quirks. Try it before heading to the shop. Let me know if it worked for you in the comments. Thanks for watching. Drive safe.